Alright, I didn't do this on the last lesson, maybe that's why it was so short, so we're going to do some graphing, or not graphing, but solving absolute value inequalities. So when we do this, and we have something like this, we're going to set this up into two equations. One where we leave it alone, one where we change the sign and make it less than -2, because if you're less than -2 and you take the absolute value, it's going to be higher than 2. So I'm going to add 5. So we got 3x is greater than 7. Divide by 3. X is greater than 7/3. Here I'm going to add 5. 3x is less than 3. Divide by 3. And then we got x is less than 1. Remember, if we have 2x minus 5 is greater than -3, well, an absolute value is always going to be bigger than -3, so this is going to be all reals. If we have one less than -3, the answer is no solution, because an absolute value is never going to be less than -3. Alright, one last problem on here. Remember, we need to get the absolute value by itself before we can split it. So we got 3x plus 2 is less than 2. 3x plus 2 greater than -2. Subtract the 2. Divide by 3. X is less than 0. Over here we got subtract 2. Divide by 3. And we have, that's -4/3. And that's it for this part of the lesson.